Student life, what is it? Student life is everything that you are doing at school. From coming to school in the morning, in class, walking between classes, assemblies, lunches, class and school activities, to leaving school and then coming back after school for concert and plays. Having fun, holiday activities, dances and proms, homecoming, elections, senior picture taking, spectators at games, and just plain goofing around. Keep in mind, events are time sensitive. Once the event has passed, you can't go back to take a picture of it. Take pictures of everything, and if in doubt, take pictures. Then let the editors determine if they want to put it in the yearbook, because the famous question is always asked, did you take pictures of X event? And if you did, you can say yes. If you didn't, well, they have no pictures. Senior picture taking. Now this is picture taking, not the picture. This picture that you're looking at is the outline of the photographer and the camera framing the senior in the middle. So this is at the senior picture taking. Similarly, the ID picture taking. You're taking a picture of the photographer taking a picture of the student. Activities like freshman orientation. Freshman orientation happens on one day. You miss it and it's gone. Grab shots. Grab shots are things that just happen. You're walking around and you see something and it's there. Your cell phone camera may be the best way to take grab shots because you have your cell phone camera on you all the time. You don't have to run to the yearbook class to take out the camera. Stage shots. Interesting. Look at the top left. Look at her face. Her hand is trying to reach to the yearbook to see the new yearbook. Bottom right, bottom left. In chemistry class. This is a class experiment. And on the right, a couple walking to school. Ding on me, I did not have a stool to stand on, so I couldn't center them in the diamond. Other sample pictures. These are from the Kaimuki and Kalani High School yearbooks from 1972. Yes, a long time ago. You've got student activities such as painting the poster, class activities in the top middle and top right, and just relaxing in bottom left. So you've got these interesting activities that people are taking pictures. Sometimes it's just fun, other times there is something behind it. So, as I said before, anything and everything. The end.